of a paradigm.
Oh. Hello my friends, today I want to watch with you JAIRO Birds. It's a new track. They dropped this track yesterday and we all know JAIRO, it's a beatbox world champions. They win a GBB last year and they created an amazing tracks and amazing videos. Every time really high video production, really high audio production and really great composition of tracks. So I'm really excited. Let's go. Bass.
味気ない ordinary life 青空さえも black and white
Oh, Yamori voice, so
My
beautiful.
pen goes back and forth ここはどこ本当の自分は
And this location.
lost in the city 隠す癖ついた爪が光ってる I know life is too short
Wow.
待ってはくれないでみたいなシュレイ少し踏み込んで助走はいらないそのまま Looking for a paradigm 迷うのもありじゃない
I love his singing.
Fresh up your mind Imagine free I got dreamers 雨の日だって羽ばたける
So happy vibe.
Go your way Let's get ready to be Put your hands up
So good. Wow. Oh, so fast. Beautiful, like always. JAIRO again created a masterpiece. I really love this track. This track have really nice happy vibe, especially second part of this song. Yamori have so nice singing voice. Here in this track he sing really high and his voice is perfect, pitch is perfect. And John T bass, his bass is so consistent and so full. Through all track his bass was a like support for Yamori singing and I love it. So I want to analyze beatbox of this track a little bit more. Let's go. Wow. So at the start we have this bass, throat bass from John T, and then he make like filter. He also makes this sound and his bass. And from Yamori at the start we hear his voice, basic singing voice, one note, and then his famous yodel technique when he make really fast switch between notes.
His
voice.
青空さえも black and white My pen goes back and forth ここはどこ本当の自分は lost in the city 隠す癖ついた爪が光ってる
So from John T we have beat, so he make kick and then throat bass and sound like we call it in beatbox bongo drum, or really similar to this sound. And then he add hi-hats when Yamori is singing with his amazing voice. Wow, this part is so beautiful. So from John T we have this this snare, puff snare, but with j, and he makes this snare really long. And then we have this yodel technique, but I think they make two sounds together, one sound from Yamari and one sound from John T. Tudum, tudum. They always synchronized perfectly, so they can do this switch between each other. So in this build up, John T also use click roll bass. Something like that, of course a lot more cleaner, but something similar to this click roll, and simple beat with kick and snare and throat bass. Wow. Oh, I love this technique. So I think it's not only Yamari doing these really high notes. They together doing doom, 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 doom. One sound from Yamari and one sound from John T, like I said previously. Fresh up your mind. Oh, John T bass. And here we have switched to really happy vibe. Main beat a little bit changed to but with bass. And Yamari sing on really high, beautiful notes. So good.
Let's get ready to be. Put your hands up.
Oh, this is main drop.
What are you doing?
I want to see who is doing. I know Yamari doing this really fast yodel technique, but I want to see if John T also add high notes. But from what I see, Yamari by himself doing this really fast switch yodel technique. From John T we have bassline and beat.
What are you doing?
From John T we have these notes on bassline, and from Yamari we have this really fast, like double voice from Shogo, but a little bit different. Oh, so good. Wow, and outro so beautiful. So good. Amazing outro. They goes into but with their voices. John T on bass and Yamari with his voice, and then from John T this bass notes like in previous part, and from Yamari I can do this double voice, but in sounding so cool. So I really enjoyed this track, Birds from JAIRO. If you also go to original video, all links in description, link to JAIRO channel, link to the amazing track. Give a like, comment, subscribe to them if you haven't already. And you can also support me by liking and commenting this video and subscribing to my channel. You can also join a membership to get some perks. And we see each other in next one. Goodbye.